Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to leave a YouTube Premium family membership. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So you no longer want to be a part of a YouTube Premium family and you want to leave it. Well, all you need to do is to open your YouTube app and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, go to the bottom right and click on New option. And then go to the top right and click on the gear or cog icon. Here, click on Purchases and Memberships. Then go and click on YouTube Premium. I don't have family membership, but the process is same for both membership. So, go to your membership and here click on Edit button. You will be redirected to this page. I can't show you because of YouTube privacy. But on this page, you will see Cancel option. Here just click on Cancel option and then have to confirm your action by providing some information, and your family membership will be cancelled. So that's basically how you can leave a YouTube Premium family membership. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.